Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this time in our React journey we are going to do how to override the default props that we did in our lesson last time. Yeah, so let's head back to our freeCodeCamp curriculum page for the React journey. Okay, if you like watching this serial on JavaScript and React, do remember to give me a thumbs up and do remember to share this video without forgetting to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. Overriding default props. So what is a property given here in this case? It is quantity. So the shopping cart component is rendering a child component, which is item. So the parent is shopping cart and the child is items. Remember that? And you already know how to pass the property from parent to child. Default value of the prop quantity is 0. Yeah, it's already given here, provided here. That is in the child. Now, if you see the parent shopping cart, here the code is already provided for the parent one. You just need to finish it off by writing the value of the property. Now, what is property here? Quantity. You specify a value of 10 because that's the question. So quantity equals 10. 10 is the value. Quantity is the prop. And so it has to be the whatever the property type, which is quantity in this case, equals value, which is 10 within curly braces. That's the syntax for this. So by doing this, you'll be overriding the default value of quantity, which was 0. So you can already see in the UI cart 10. So easy, right? Now it may not be 10. You could write 20, 100, 200, whatever be the value. If you write the value in braces, in the curly braces, so that the JSX can be converted easily. You know, I've already mentioned that earlier. Then only you can get the result right. So before adding, you saw on the UI it was cart equals the quantity is showing as 0 because the default value is 0. But after overriding it or resetting it by giving it a new value of 10 or 100 or whatever you want to reset it to, change it to, the new value will show. Just remember to write the value within the curly braces. Yeah. So here you can try with different values. I would highly suggest you to try with different values and then check the screen. Here it is 10. If you write the value of 10, you will see 10 and etc. 100, whatever value, you will see it there accordingly. And if you like watching this series on React, do remember to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and share this video so that this channel can go a longer way in contributing to your React journey. Okay. So, as you've seen, if you keep previewing the screen with different values, different value keeps jumping up here, showing up here. Yeah. So, this was the really easy part. We'll be doing more complicated ones. So, don't worry. We just want you to prepare for harder ones, for more complicated ones, so that you can make full components and apps in React. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Until then, subscribe.